or take profits at this high. Order filled. What's up, YouTube? Wesley Trades back with another trading video. First off, thank you guys so much for the support that you guys showed me in my one video where I was kind of explaining where I was personally, because honestly, it was trading. Trading's been pretty hard recently, and so what I'm gonna do to kind of take a step back from, or try to take a step back from losing, is I'm just gonna stop streaming for a little bit, and that might not be the best thing for you guys, but I really hope you realize that this is my journey, right? And even though I have a YouTube channel and I try to make you guys happy with the content that I put out, I also got to make myself happy with the stuff that I do to improve my trading. So I hope you guys understand. It's absolutely nothing personal. I love every single one of you guys. Are amazing people, amazing traders, and you guys all have unbelievable ideas. And then second off, in the video, I had a lot of people telling me to change strategies or maybe try something different. I'm sorry, you guys, but for the next little bit at least, I'm going to be using the same strategy. I've seen it work before. My roommates use it. Liam is requesting a payout. Mark just passed his second funded. Now it's my turn. So I'm gonna stick it out with this strategy. I don't believe that that is the problem. Anyway, well, let's get straight to it. New little layout behind us. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments what you guys think of how we're looking. You guys know the deal. I'm gonna break this thing out. So number one, what's our weekly bias? Daily bullish. 4 hour bullish. An hour looks like we've looked into the bottom of this fair value gap here. New York market just opened. Very good. Let's also open up trading view so that we can see. Okay, so we're going to be looking for some form of point of interest to be touched on a higher time frame. You see this 1 hour fair value gap being respected. We get some form of good reaction off this 1 hour fair value gap. I would totally be okay with taking a long up to recent highs. We're just going to be dialing. We're going to be super disciplined. I've showed you guys that I'm able to be super disciplined. Just a matter of stitching everything together now. I truly do think I have it, you guys. I have it in me to be a good trader. But you know, you're gonna go through rough patches, and me wanting to quit, I guarantee you a lot of other traders have felt like that. So, and just so you know, I'm not quitting. On our 4 hour, we've kind of broke structure to the downside. Kind of leaves me to wonder, are we chasing this here, right? But if we can get this nice of a reaction off the 1 hour fair value gap, see if we want to continue lower. Start our little uptrend on the 15 second, on the 30 second. Now I would like to see it on the minute before I look for some form of entry. Do we end up making a 1 hour SMT here? We do have 12 minutes left on our hourly candle. Okay, well, I'm going over to MES. Maybe making a bullish SMT. We're going to trade the more, or the leading pair. Some form of displacement upwards now. Okay, well, let's not take that low. Crazy movement. And it's not even 8 o'clock yet. We still have news we got to go through. We might be pushing lower. Like, what else can we seek out here? 4 hour, the next low is right here. This is legit free fall. This is crazy. Like, wow. This is unreal. The daily fair value gap, that is right here. So we will be cautious on what that looks like. I'm not going to fight the market here. I want to see it continue lower. Well, we've had very little resistance on the daily for a long time. Like, no form of good swing low. So I want to see something maybe return up to this fair value gap here. Minute. I could be entering short. Okay, well, I'm gonna enter here. JD's and Littleman. Take profit down here. We're not fighting the market here. Like where we're at. Super bearish. Right? We need some form of daily retrace where like opening on both charts is ridiculous. I think I gotta clarify this up a little bit. I wanted to take partials here. That was my idea for this trade. I was not going to let the whole thing trade into the bottom. And that's all right. Okay, let's see what happens when we come up to this 5 minute fair value gap. We get some form of displacement downward. I would love to enter again. Our entry might be on the NASDAQ here, ladies and gentlemen. We wick into it. We have a crazy reaction. Not crazy, but still a good reaction. We do have good amounts of fair value gaps back to the upside. Good 5 minute here. And we did have that daily fair value gap. So if I'm going to be honest, I'm kind of flipping bullish. We do have our 1 minute liquidity sweep here. We'd be in something like this. Take profits at this high.